First of all, a very good evening to all my media friends. Today we are here to address one press conference, basically on three matters. Firstly, mini secretariat to Silchar, and then second, it is Team Karbi Anglong has visited the spot called Mukro, a place called Mukro, and then on that spot he has given pathetic, derogatory statement to create the fair psychosis between the Khasis and the Karbis. Thirdly, we have that is the declaration of Foundation Day in West Karbi Anglong. So, first of all, I will mention that is regarding the mini secretariat. Secretariat means for the state. So, when it comes to mini secretariat, it is for the state within state. So the Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau, earlier it is NC Hills. We both the district were demanding to implement Articles 244A, that is state within state. So we are the hills peoples demanding for the mini secretariat. But now the state cabinet has taken a resolution, has passed a resolution that almost 135 crores fund has been sanctioned, allocated for the construction or for buildings of mini secretariat in Silchar. So in this regard, in this context, we totally condemn our 5 MLAs altogether from Karbi Anglong and Mahasau
and minister.
And those 5 MLAs, they could not raise their voice against this matter. I mean, the mini secretariat which has been given to the Silchar, that particular matters was not raised in the assembly or any others social media or any others press media domain. So in this regard, we totally condemn those 5 MLAs for keeping numb on this matter. And also, we also condemn the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the Mahasau Autonomous Council for remaining silent, because the mini secretariat is for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So we would like to appeal even to all the social organization and the responsible citizen of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau, why we are so silent on these matters? Because we are the people, we are the Hills tribe people, which has been demanding to implement Articles 244A, or it is mini secretariat we can say. But now it was given to the Silchar, and now we still has to, remain silent on this matter. So I would also like to appeal to the regional political party of Assam, especially the AJP and the Rajya Dol, no? Jatiya Dol or Assam Jatiya Dol and Rajya Dol to raise their voice in this matter. Because whenever the Karbis and the Demasas and the many Hills tribe peoples place our demand to implement Articles 244A, state within state, they also oppose most of the times. But now whereas the central government and the state government, they decided to grant the mini secretariat towards the Silchar, they also remain silent in the entire state. That is very unfortunate, and we finally want to appeal them, especially the AJP and the Rajya Dol, to raise their voice for granting mini secretariat in Silchar. Karbi Anglong has visited the place called Mukro, which is Assam Meghalaya border areas, and then the main inhabitant Theirs are the Karbis, the Khasis, the Panar, and the Jaintias, all the Hills tribe. So in that on that visit, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, has stated that not an inch of land will be given to the illegal settlers of that particular areas. So I would like to ask Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, who are the illegal settlers in the Mokro areas? Can you specify? Can you clarify yourself? Because in the 6 scheduled areas, the Karbis, the Khasis, the Dantias, the Garos, the Dimasas has the same equal rights and privilege as per the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Whereas Mr. Tuliram has said that the Khasis, the Jantias, the Peners, and many others hill tribes are the illegal settlers or the encroachers which he mentioned. So I can totally condemn his statement, and we would like to appeal him to clarify himself in the press media and apologize to all the hill tribe people in this derogatory statement that he has given on that day. Thank you.